So, today we'll be doing a video on this box right here. It is from the 1950s, and it is a cool box. It doesn't have anything special in it, unless you open it, which I'm definitely going to do right now. So let us open this box. See, there's a latch here, and you pop it open, and then, boom, typewriter. Typewriter go ding. Typewriter go ding. Typewriter go ding. Anyways, so this is a typewriter from the 1950s. Now, I've owned this typewriter for 3 years now, and I have used it like 4 times. So I guess I can use this to show you how a typewriter works. So, the basic components of a typewriter are the keyboard, the letter bar, and then the rolly thingy. I don't really know the term because I don't study typewriters. This is a ribbon, and that's kind of where the ink comes from. There are 3 settings. There's blank, which allows you to just put indentations in the paper. The red for the red ink, and then it looks like blue, but it should be black. But that is for the black ink. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how it works. So the keyboard, of course, when you press on a key, it causes the letter bar to hit up and strike on the ink, striking the piece of paper, which would be located here. I'll show you how to put it in later. This is the shift, actually, and it's also the way that you'd get a capital letter. So you'd push down and keep that in order to keep it in place if you want to type in all caps. This is the line bar, basically. There's these numbers here. I'm sure you're familiar with like AP style, where they're like, oh, you have to have it at 0.2 before in between each line of word, a line of text, and that kind of helps you do that. It's the boomer way of doing that. These here are actually interesting. I just discovered how you use these. These are for like the margins. So basically, if I was to move one of these over here like that, and then I was to move that over here, it basically tells the bar to where to stop, for instance. See, it stops there, and then when we tab it over to here, it stops there, and that's kind of where like the bell rings. So we have that. This is for keeping the paper in place. These are some like extra guides for the margins. These, I'm sure you've seen these on like photographs. These are for like, these little bars here are for keeping the paper up. Anyways, let's go inside the typewriter. So we're going to open this, and here we see the whole typing bar, and then the 2 spools of ink, basically the ribbon. As you can see, there's a spring there that helps with the movement of the machine. So basically, the space bar moves it across. What I'm going to do is get it upside down for you, or try to at least. My apologies. It's not very helpful. Anyway, so this is the bottom of the typewriter. As you can see, there's the little bell that rings, that's hit by a little mallet there. This is the rib that helps move the thing, so doesn't seem like the bar works upside down, which is good, I suppose. But yeah, this is the bottom of the typewriter. Anyways, so how do you insert paper into a typewriter? The answer is quite easy, or semi-easy. First of all, you need printer paper or type paper. I don't have that on me because I am in a college dorm room, but I do have this piece of lined paper. Not preferred, but it will work. So basically what you do is you raise the bar here, being careful not to break the instrument, and I just discovered that you can do that. I didn't know you could take that apart. See, I'm learning things new things every day. Funny. Okay, let's put that back where it belongs. Okay, so basically raise the bar, you put the sheet right there, making sure it's even, and then you turn the knob on the side here, and that produces the paper. Normally, I just realized I did this backwards. Normally this bar here would go on top of the paper, like so. Actually, let's see if I can shove it through. Don't do this. This is not how you're supposed to use the typewriter, but okay, there you go. And basically, yeah, so there's that. Now, pulling it back, you can just start typing. So we're going to type in, I don't know, numbers, you know? Numbers. You can't, the weird thing, and if you're used to using a computer, is that you can't type two letters at the same time, otherwise the bar gets stuck. So let's just type in a number 2, or 22. See? That, and it's set to the black ink, so it is black. Now if we turn it to the white ink, and we type the same number, as you can notice, there's just the indentations, or like the smudges of the black ink that's left over. We switch it over to the red, and it gives you red ink. So basically a typewriter, it's a very simple operation. So that's the typewriter, guys. Thank you for watching.